did want to mention that this is the homework assignment for this week. It'll be due next Wednesday. And you guys should have a hard copy, and also I emailed you a PDF version of it, so however you want to do it. I would suggest just take the hard copy and write in.
That's what I'm gonna do.
That's perfect. So anyway, it's really just to make
what's
sure.
that?
Oh, what's what?
That.
That's the camera.
Cool.
So my phone's not the camera. That's the camera. So anyway, it's just got call outs that you can fill in for the different parts of the Excel interface, for the Excel software program. So it should be fairly straightforward. And on the bottom, it's actually got the the terms that are used, so you can just find it, fill it in, kind of like what we did with the safety, equipment homework assignment we had. Anybody remember that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And what was I going to show? Oh, yeah, we're going to go over the. Oh, I love this classroom. That's so awesome. So cool. All right. So we can see here I'm highlighting or selecting these cells. And I want to sort the numbers here. Any thoughts on how we might do that? I mean, we can do it manually, but you probably don't want to do it.
It'll probably take a while.
I could take these cells and I could drag them somewhere else.
Huh.
You can do it that way and then kind of shuffle everything until you get it in the right order. But if you imagine, let's say you've got 100 numbers,
that would take
probably don't want to do that.
That would probably take a long process.
Now, anybody remember how I can undo what I just did? Emma? No. Josh?
I don't know.
Okay. Caleb?
Yeah.
Do I remember how I can undo what I just did?
Oh, Control Z.
Yes, that's true. Yeah, so that's, what is that called? Besides Control Z. That's good, very good, Caleb. It's actually a shortcut.
Undo, yeah.
Yeah. So
Another way you can undo is those arrows up there.
yes. Okay. So I'm going to redo this. Okay. So I use the redo arrow to undo what I just undid. And yes, Markel is correct. You can use this arrow here. And the nice thing with Excel or any of the programs is you get what are called tool tips. So it actually says, when you hover over it, says undo, drag, and drop.
And it also says Control Z up there.
That it gives you the shortcut keys for doing that. So what's not to like it? And if I go over something else, let's say copy, what do we get to see?
Control C.
Control C. So it says put a copy of the selection on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. Now where is the clipboard? Anybody know? Let me find it. Any thoughts on the clipboard?
It's at the bottom.
Well,
it's underneath Format Painter.
I didn't catch that.
The clipboard is up right underneath the Format Painter.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So if I
Above the formula.
Yes.
click on that, though, nothing happens.
What about try
So
right there?
what it's really saying is these things are the clipboard. And I'm kind of teasing you guys. The clipboard, there is no physical clipboard you're going to find. It's really the software that's storing the information. And and that's called the clipboard. And then if you need to use it, you know, it's there to, you know, be pasted if you want, or to do other things with it. All right, very good. Caleb, that was good. All right, so I'm going to read it in. All right, so now I want to sort these numbers. Any thoughts on how we might sort them? Any shortcut thoughts?
I'm thinking.
Or maybe thoughts on the on this top row here. So underneath editing, you can see we've got some things like auto sum, clear, sort, filter, find, and select.
Will one of those be what we need?
Yes, one of those would be. So we can go over here to sort and filter. And you can see it says
You'll sort filter.
it says organize your data. So if we click on the numbers, you see what pops up?
Interesting.
So it says sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest, custom sort. And actually, me personally, I've always been a little bit confused by, you know, them using A to Z, Z to A, and okay, it says largest to the smallest, but. So anyway, one of these sorts the largest number on top, and one will sort the smallest number on top, and then, you know, sequentially beneath that. So, and like anything, if you're not sure, you can select one of them and see what happens. And so that's asking to expand the selection. So I'm going to say yes.
Nice. Oh, and also switch their names around.
Yeah, good idea.
So when we did this, and we picked the first one, right? Smallest to largest. So did it actually work like that? Yeah, looks like it did. All right, so let's sort it the other way. Largest to smallest. And I'll expand it.
Huh?
Okay, got a little weird there, right?
What's a zero at the top?
Well, you notice the sum or the total that we had, you know, kind of disappeared, and that's because it sorted it and then it's now selecting the wrong data. So I'm going to undo this, and I'm going to get rid of this. It's like magic.
Looks like it.
All right, so we can see that we can sort a series of numbers from large to small or small to large just by using, you know, the shortcuts in the toolbar up there. Now I'm going to show you. Well, let's start with one of our favorites. We always like doing a graph, right?
I was actually mentioning that.
You were, okay. So what kind of graph do we want?